Welcome to SL Pharma. Today we're diving into a critical topic for pharmaceutical manufacturing: clean room classifications under EU GMP guidelines. Understanding grades A, B, C, and D is essential for ensuring sterile product safety and quality. Clean rooms are specialized environments designed to control airborne particles and microbial contamination during pharmaceutical production. The European Union Good Manufacturing Practice, or EU GMP, defines 4 clean room grades, A, B, C, and D, each with specific cleanliness standards and uses. Grade A represents the highest cleanliness level. These areas are typically laminar airflow workbenches or isolators with particle counts strictly limited to fewer than 3,520 particles of 0.5 micrometers or larger per cubic meter, both at rest and in operation. Microbial contamination must be virtually zero. Grade A zones are used for the most critical processes, such as aseptic filling of sterile products, handling sterile materials post-sterilization and sterile compounding. Think injectable drugs, eye drops, and intrathecal solutions. Grade B clean rooms serve as the background environment for Grade A zones. At rest, they maintain particle counts below 35,200 particles of 0.5 micrometers or larger per cubic meter, increasing slightly during operation. These areas support aseptic manufacturing activities, including equipment setup, sterile component staging, and personnel changing rooms adjacent to Grade A zones. Grade C clean rooms maintain moderate cleanliness with particle limits up to 352,000 particles greater than or equal to 0.5 micrometers per cubic meter at rest. They are used for less critical sterile production steps, such as preparing solutions that will be sterilized later, or initial handling of sterile components before final sterilization. Typical processes include manufacturing topical sterile preparations and solution prep for terminally sterilized injectables. Grade D is the basic controlled environment with particle counts allowed up to 3,520,000 particles greater than or equal to 0.5 micrometers per cubic meter at rest. This grade is suitable for handling non-sterile starting materials and early stages of sterile product manufacture before sterilization. Examples include weighing and mixing non-sterile ingredients and preparing oral solid dosage forms like tablets and capsules. Let's summarize the key points. Grade A is ultra-clean, typically used for aseptic filling of injectables and eye drops. Grade B serves as clean support, often surrounding Grade A areas. Grade C is controlled, used for pre-sterilization preparation of ophthalmic and base solutions. Finally, Grade D is a basic clean environment suitable for non-sterile preparation tasks like tablets and raw material weighing. Understanding these cleanroom classifications is vital for maintaining product safety and compliance in pharmaceutical manufacturing. For more insights on GMP and pharma best practices, subscribe to SL Pharma and stay updated.